everybody, this is Tvisha Goyal and today I have made this project Chandrayaan. In this project I have made Vikram lander and Pragyan rover inside it. I have used many components, basic components, but I have used some 4 major components like Arduino Uno, LCD display, behind is lithium-ion battery and gear motors to run this car. So as we know that the Chandrayaan has already found the water on the moon surface, so this is also like that only. So I have put on the switch so the go and it just put into the soil as you can see in this video. So now I will on the video. So as you can see that here returns welcome and it is sending the message that Happy New Year ISRO. In that the data is collecting and it is showing on the liquid crystal display. This is the moisture in the sand or the soil of the moon. So the moisture sensor is reading the data and displaying on the moisture. I have made the codings like when the moisture is detected, the pin gets high or the light gets so the light gets glow. So this light is glowing as you can see. When we take remove out, so this light get off, and when we put into soil the light get off. So this is my system and I have put that when the moisture is there in the soil, that the moisture could be display on the LCD screen. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. Happy New Year.